All right, guys, it's time to take relentless action, and I'm going to show you exactly how I create my outreach flow verse on email. So here I am in Apollo.io. I've set up my account, I've purchased the £59 version, and I have 989 email credits left. And I'm going to use those email credits on an e-commerce search, and I'm going to create a campaign I'm going to create a case study campaign for e-commerce. So you can do this at any point. I have results. I generated 8 time return on investment for a skincare client, generated an extra £20,000. So I'm going to attach a Loom video breaking that down in the cold outreach. So hopefully grab their attention. So on the left hand side here, we can see that I've put in all the parameters. So just typed in Shopify, bang, all that's going to be all e-commerce stores. And then hair, skin, acne, hyperpigmentation, skincare, hair care, hair growth. What else? What else would there be? I've tried to think, can't think of anything. US, UK, job title, owner, right? Bang. So all these people, I want to hear back from them, right? So that's 989 people, and I'm quite confident with this search as well because it's quite broad in the sense that like companies that have zero or companies that have one employee, then companies that have 200 employees. I haven't select that, and there's still 1,000 people, which is a manageable amount. So yeah, I don't need to refine that down more. I'm going to just focus on the 989 people that I've selected. And I'm going to go ahead and click here and export. I'm going to export that to a CSV. I don't need their phone numbers as this is not a cold calling campaign. And I'm going to export all emails as a CSV to my email and go ahead and click save. What this is going to do is going to email me with a file of all of these people's emails. That's what Apollo.io does. That's how it works. And then completed. So that's now been sent to my email. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to head on over to my Instantly account. So I've connected my email domain and I'm going to head on over to the campaign. And this is where I'm going to add a new campaign. And I'm going to do SJM Ecom Skin. So this is going to be the first campaign. And then now I've got to add my leads. So all I need to do now is import all of those leads that I just exported, which has been sent to my email. And then I've got to blast out the campaign. So yeah, we'll do that now. Okie dokie. I've just gone ahead and imported the export. I actually had to do it 3 times because the first 2 times it only emailed me 75 out of the 900 emails, and I was scratching my head. I was like, "Is that something I'm not paying for?" And then I checked. If you go to the history, and then you go to CSV export history, you'll see the export here, and then it will say total records 987. So you just go ahead and click download here. For some reason, when they email it to you, they only email you 75. When you download it from here, then they give you the full 900. So just bear that in mind. If you encounter that like little glitch, then there's a solution. So yeah, what you want to do now is you want to hash the data. So make sure that you do first name and last name, and title do not import, company name for emails do not import, email yes, email status, email confidence, seniority, irrelevant. Now first phone, you're going to need phone, work direct phone, do not import. Do not import, do not import, do not import, do not import, do not import. Number of employees, that's a custom variable. Industry, that's a custom variable. Keywords, that's a custom variable. Check everything else, do not import. Website, yes, import that. And everything else, oh yeah, what's this? SEO, do not import, do not import, do not import, do not import. Verify leads, upload all. I have purchased the, how much did I just spend on it? The $36 version, because I have 900 leads. They only give you 250. And bang, I've now imported all 900 of my leads. If I go ahead and click here and this people button, it should, if I refresh the page, why does it keep making me go through the tutorial? That's so irritating. Okay, 489 leads. I guess that's 489 confirmed emails. But yeah, once you've hashed out the and it's bugged out. Yeah, they keep giving me the tutorial every time. But yeah, once you've hashed out all of those emails and you've uploaded them, obviously like the majority of people, their email I guess isn't verified. But 498 is still a good test to go with. Once you verify those emails, it's now time to create the sequence. Alrighty, so I have put in the emails that are going to follow in the sequence. We've got step one. Hello, Jonathan. I'll keep it brief. My name is Jamie, and I scale skincare and hair care businesses with paid advertising and email marketing based off your content, website design, and social media presence. Jon Snow's company fits the mold for a great client for this service. I know you may not trust his approach, handle their objection, and I completely understand. So I'd like to schedule a quick, no commitment chat where I'll break the entire ad strategy so you can implement it yourself free of charge. I'll even show you case studies of similar brands that have seen significant increases in revenue with this service and answer any questions or concerns you may have. I have genuinely changed the lives of situations of many businesses with this service, and I just want to see it implemented for you too. Would you be opposed to this? Then 4 days later, hi, hope you're well. Are you able to discuss the below this week? Because it's going to reply to that email and it will be below. I won't be offering it for much longer. Sprinkle a little bit of scarcity in there. I also made this Loom video for you, letting you know what you think. The Loom video that I included is so they're going to think that it's a Loom video of their website. Sorry, not sorry. It's a Loom video of me showing a case study results, getting 8 times return on investment for a client in the skincare niche. So yeah, there's that, and then 6 days after that is, hey, I'm keen to speak to you to give you this free strategy so that you can implement it. I know Jon Snow's company will kill it with this service. If it's more convenient to you, please feel free to schedule directly on my calendar using the following link. Each email has a call to action. So the first call to action is for them to reply. Second call to action is to click on my Loom. Third call to action is for them to schedule a meeting. And then the fourth call to action is for them to reply to the last email. And then I'm probably going to stop it there. I can follow up more. It's advised that you follow up more. I'm probably going to follow up every 30 days after this. Alrighty, so once you've got the emails finalized, you're going to literally go ahead and click on resume campaign. You want to click save on each one. By the way, if you are importing variables, then you click down here. So for example, if you're importing variables, you click this flash button after you've imported the leads, obviously, and then you click on the variable that you want. So first name. So it must look like that. Obviously, it won't put their first name in if you don't use the variable from there. So make sure if it says first name from any template that you use, you need to delete that variable that they gave you and then use the variable that's down here. So yeah, go ahead and click save on all that once it's all done. And then you will just want to check a couple options. So here are my options. I highly recommend that you copy them. So yeah, stop sending emails when they reply, etc., etc. Link tracking, turn this on, disable that, turn this on. Daily limit. Should there be a daily limit? Honestly, I don't know. 7 minutes before each email. Time gap. I'm gonna turn this down to 3. Do you know what? I'm gonna put it at 2. Obviously, I'm not an email marketing tech, domain wizard, so I don't actually know the optimal thing to put this. Prioritize new leads. Prioritize reaching out to new leads over scheduled follow-ups. Yep. Oh, that's a premium feature. Yeah, of course. So yeah, just copy these settings here. Da-da-da-da-da. Cool, 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 cool. Now schedule. I set this to 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. That should be fine Monday to Saturday because the Sabbath is Sunday for literally everyone. So I'm going to head and click save for that. The sequence and that's all saved. Make sure your subject line is set to something along the lines of this. Please don't copy exactly what I've put. I've made mine different from the template that I've put for a reason. So yeah, just go ahead and take the template and utilize it. Here are the leads that are being sent the email right now. And then here are some analytics. So the status is active, it's sending, and it's running. So that's literally it. It's now done. So if we go to analytics, we will start seeing emails be sent. Obviously, I literally just published it. So it's not sent the first email yet. So you just got to wait. But yeah, that is literally everything. So go ahead and implement this now. Implement what you've just learned. Go ahead and utilize the email marketing using Instantly.ai. And all of the best of luck for you guys with the email marketing and all of your outreach efforts. Hopefully, we all get some clients.